Hey everyone, my name is Lisa DeFazio. I'm a registered dietitian from Hollywood, California. Today I'm going to show you how to make an Italian wine spritzer. I'm half Italian, and this is a really light, fresh afternoon or evening cocktail that doesn't weigh you down and give you a headache like other alcoholic mixed beverages. So this is what you do. You can find Campari at any of the major markets, and this is really the base of the drink. So get a nice glass and fill it with plenty of ice, and it's simply going to be 1/3 Campari. A beautiful red color also makes it nice and fruity. It's also a beautiful cocktail, especially for summer and spring. And then we're going to add 2/3 of club soda. You can also use any type of sparkling water, Pellegrino, anything that you like. Sometimes people make variations on it where they might do white wine and some Campari and sparkling water. You can add a lemon to it or an orange. I personally like to accent it with orange. It really gives a nice flavor and of course, very beautiful. And there you have it, an Italian wine spritzer. Fresh, delicious, and beautiful. I'm Lisa DeFazio. For more nutrition tips, check out my website at lisadefazio.com. I will see you guys next time.